Hi, welcome to Tech YouTube channel. My name is Felicia. Today's first topic, we're talking about how to make money in Suno AI. Before you make money, you need music content in Suno AI. Number one step is that you have to create music with Suno AI. Pay for promo and premium plan in order to have commercial usage rights. Number two, you just have to sell or stream on music platform, that is, download your Sonos music as MP3 or WAV. Use music distributors like TuneCore, CD Baby, Dixtro LED, and so on. The third is monetize on YouTube. Yes, our very YouTube. You just have to monetize by uploading your video there. In YouTube, you can upload both short videos and longer videos. So you just have to upload a video consistently. Join YouTube partner program and in a ad revenue. You can also license your music by selling rights to your track for use in ads, podcasts, TV, and all films, video games. The next one is sell beats, lumps, and packs by tuning Sonia composition into products such as instrumental pack, jingles, lumps for other products. You can also join creators or ambassador program where you earn money for producing short videos using Sonal content. You can get bonus for audience engagement, affiliate or revenue share incentive applied. In order to be more successful in this, you can also share your content, your video, music content on your YouTube, on your Instagram, other social medias like Facebook, and that way you'll be able to earn money from your Suno AI music. So guys, I hope with this guide you'll be able to make money in Suno AI. If this video was helpful, please do also like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.